Micro-Trak designs systems to help farmers plant, spray, and fertilize millions of acres around the world. Our proven process of listening to and learning from our customers and then using that to deliver quality products is what we've built our reputation on. Our team of engineers work diligently to refine our products to increase efficiency and performance in your field. So whether you're looking for reliability or just a product that is easy to use, Micro-Trak has you covered. We work with original equipment manufacturers to develop components built to fit their equipment. Our facility can accommodate any size order, and we manufacture our components in the heart of the Midwest, Mankato, Minnesota. Micro-Trak began helping farmers in 1982 with the Calcinator and soon after the MT3000, our two most recognizable products. Since then, we have invested resources into developing a multitude of precision application monitoring and control systems. Today, our extensive product line helps farmers around the world. Additionally, our products are used by highway maintenance crews to pre-treat and de-ice thousands of miles of roads and bridges to keep drivers safe. At the end of the day, the products we build are easy to use, reliable, and bring value to any operation. We stand behind them with some of the most comprehensive technical support service programs in the industry. If you're having issues with a Micro-Trak component, please call. You can talk directly to our friendly sales, service, and engineering teams free of charge. All Micro-Trak products are covered by a 3-year limited warranty, and our service team will service any Micro-Trak product regardless of age. We also have a free loaner support program. If you need to keep working while your Micro-Trak component is being repaired, simply request a loaner and we will send one to you to use free of charge to keep your operation moving. All you pay for is shipping charges. We are field tested and customer proven for over 40 years. We are Micro-Trak, innovative from the ground up.